So many moons ago, I created this jig to cut off the belly and the arm of Jazzmasters and Strats. And I built this at a 20-degree angle, and then I drew some lines here which allow me to match up the strap body, and I can place this according to the lines. Got a built-in handle here, and I can push it through my saw with a higher blade. This will work on some 14-inch bandsaws depending on how high you can get that blade and what blade size you're working. This will allow me to do the cutoff very quickly and safely. Alright, so here are the lines about every inch. We're going to cut the back off here. Line this up. See the line right there, it's all set. Get this up on the bandsaw and just follow the line through. Alright, so we're going to line this up with the saw blade, and we're going to go about 1/8 to the left of it there. We don't want to cut exactly on the line, because once I cut it, I can't add any wood back, obviously. So I always cut this just slightly short, and then I can sand it to that line later. And as I'm pushing the body through, my clamp is touching the bandsaw blade guides, and I'll have to make a quick adjustment with that. So we cut it off short, adjust the clamp, make sure the body doesn't move, get rid of the waste, double check how it looks, and again here just slowly push it into the blade, wait till it gets caught. And this is real-time speed, so I'm going pretty slow. And we'll take that through all the way to the end, slowly cutting it off. Make one slight adjustment there. Feels pretty good. Got one little spot we'll cut. What's nice about having that handle is I can just move this back and forth. My bandsaw table is relatively clean, so it moves. I waxed it a couple months ago. So then we'll pop off the body and adjust it for the arm cutout. And I usually have my other set of clamps with me here. I'm fumbling around a little bit, but I've got that line drawn, and I'm lining up that line with the body. And this one's a little bit easier. Just go ahead and follow the line that I drew on the guitar body, move it over just slightly so I don't cut right on it, and cut this off. And that time I was a little bit too low, so I'll come back and make another cut here. We'll go really slow, not force it. Make sure I'm keeping it pretty straight. So we'll come back with my palm sander and sand off the arm and the belly cutout. And I've got a nice, safe, easy method to do this without spending all that time scraping or carving. So just a quick tip on building a jig to cut the belly and arm cutout. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.